Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first, we're gonna check the volume during a call using these side buttons. So we got our side buttons right here. We can change the volume while being in a call, and when we are in a call, then we want to make sure that this setting is set up to max. So what you guys can also do is go over to the settings, and here in the settings we want to go over to the sound and vibration. Here in the sound and vibration, we will have an option to change the call volume from here, so you do not have to necessarily call somebody to change the volume, because this is available on this device right here. So what you guys want to do next is make sure that the Bluetooth devices are either disconnected or that Bluetooth is disabled. So swipe up and go to the connected devices, and then click on connection preferences, click on Bluetooth, and as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is disabled. But if you have Bluetooth like that and it's blue, then you want to make sure that it's a bit yellowish or grayish. So now that the Bluetooth is disabled, we want to go over and clean the earpiece right here. Can you guys see the case right here? We have a little bit of spacing, and here right up top we have our earpiece. So we want to clean the earpiece with the soft brush or basically anything else, just to not damage it. And then we can try and test the call with somebody, for an example on WhatsApp or on a different app, to see if it's app dependent or if it's the problem for the entire phone. Now what you guys want to do next is disable the Motorola. So the power button is not working. We will get redirected to the Gemini, but we're gonna click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now, as you guys can see, we have an option to restart our phone, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone is restarted. Now, after the restart, what can we do is we can reset the network settings in these settings. So let's go over and click the settings app, and right in the settings app, we have to scroll a bit down, and we're gonna go over to the system. So it's either here in the reset options. This setting is not hidden here because there's two possibilities. Either this setting is hidden and all you can do is factory reset, but for this device especially it's not. So we just click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings. Now we have to enter our password if you have one, and as you guys can see, we'll click it once again, and now we have a notification that the network settings have been reset. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.